Security was also top of mind for customers of modern servers, and that's something that HPE talked a lot about when we were there. Now, it's not maybe the security that you're thinking of. HPE scored points with the delegates by talking about supply chain security. In other words, they're guaranteeing that these systems are built with the components spec'd out, and customers can track them all the way from the factory into the truck, all the way until the delivery to make sure that nobody has tampered with that server hardware. This continues even after the servers are deployed. They've got, as in the new Gen 12, they've got the ILO 7, which has a secure enclave to store keys, and it'll check and validate the hardware that's installed to make sure nobody's messing around with the servers once they're up and running in the data center. The company also talked a little bit about post-quantum encryption algorithms. That's been pushed forward as more and more quantum announcements are made, and people want to make sure that whatever encryption is included in the system is post-quantum certified. I'm glad to see that companies like HPE are starting to put that into practice now, ahead of the quantum revolution, just in case things get broken in the future.